Namaste everyone, I'm Samatya from Bodsphere. Welcome to Bodsphere's YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, we are going to practice yoga, especially for the flat stomach. So if you want to reduce your belly fat, you should ideally be working on your abdominal region. So every day you need to practice certain poses to actually see the results. So this particular tutorial is focusing on your abdominal region. All you need is your yoga mat for today's tutorial and you'll be good to go. So let's all get started now. So in today's tutorial, we are going to begin from the tabletop position. So right now we are on all fours right now, and the wrists are right below the shoulders and the knees are right below the pelvic region. In this position itself, let's first stretch the arms so that we can open up our shoulders and the spine first. So let's stretch a bit by pushing our upper body towards the floor. For a couple of seconds, let's all hold in Anahatasana or the melting heart pose. And very gently, let's all lift the body up back to the tabletop position. And let's start rotating our body. So right now we are just warming up, quickly warming up, because there will be utilization of the wrist. So our wrist need to be pretty warmed up. And let's all reverse now, opposite direction or the anti-clockwise direction. And let's all come back to the center and let's all take our legs back in the palm plank position of Phalakasana. So each pose we are going to hold for 10 seconds more or less. So just make sure that your wrists are right below your shoulders and your body is in one flat plane. Let's all stay over here, keeping our tummy tight, keeping our core tight. Just feel the strengthening of the shoulders and the arms, the entire arm also. And very gently you may take your body back in the mountain pose or Parvatasana. So let's all push the spine in. And let's all come back to the palm plank. And let's start swinging our body back and forth. Palm plank position to the mountain. Let's continue moving. It's a little dynamic in nature. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's all bring our feet between the palms now. And let's stay over here in Hastapadasana or the standing forward fold. If God forbid, if someone is suffering from any spinal issues, you can grab your hamstrings from behind and you can continue looking in front in the halfway lift. And your spine is completely parallel to the floor right now. Or if you want, you can rest your palms on the floor. So as per your own body, you have to practice yoga. For only 5 seconds, let's all hold. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's all take our body back into the palm plank position once again. For only 5 seconds, let's all hold. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You may all rest the knees on the floor. Cross your legs now. And immediately, let's all lift the legs up in the Asana. So our eyes remain in line with the palms and the toes. And let's all hold. If you think that, this is a little dynamic, very dynamic or intense for the body, you can go for Ardha Asana also. So your shin bones remain parallel to the floor and you are simply staying over here. Or you can straighten up your legs as per your convenience. And let's all hold for 10, 9, 8, I'm already sweating, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start alternating between both the legs for a while, keeping our legs straight for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You may all rest the legs onto the floor and let's all bend forward in Paschimottanasana. Let's stay over here for a while. For a few seconds, just feel the stretch around your hamstrings, around your abdominal region, around the spine. And very gently, let's all lift the upper body up now. And let's place the left palm over the right calf muscle. Right palm goes back. Let's all twist our abdominal region along with the spine, of course. Let's all hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's all switch towards the left side for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's all come back to the center and very gently let's all lie down on our spine now. And let's all rest the palms right under our hips or the sacrum. So this is just to support your body, just to support your back. And let's all lift the legs 45 degrees up in Uttan Padasana. So knees are straight, toes are pointing outwards. Let's all hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 90 degrees up now, straight up towards the ceiling or the sky. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to 45-degree angle. So we are just changing the angles to work on our core, on our tummy or the stomach. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15-degree angles. Now it's very close to the floor. So we are just holding onto the pose for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start moving our legs back and forth without resting the feet onto the mat for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very gently, let's all rest the feet onto the floor. You may take out your palms from under your body. And let's bring our middle finger in contact with the heels. So that much gap has to be present between your hip joint and the heels. The legs are hip width apart. And as you inhale, let's all lift the body up towards the ceiling. You can adjust your body as per your height. And let's all stay over here in Setu Bandh. So your middle back, lower back, glutes, thighs, everything goes up towards the ceiling. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And as you exhale, you may all relax your body onto the floor, and let's bring our legs closer towards the upper body, and you may hold on to your right forearm using your left palm. And let's stay over here for a while. It's going to be a little relaxing and comfortable position. If you are unable to hold on to the forearm, you can hold your shin bones also. Even that is completely fine in Apanasana or the knee to chest pose. Let's continue taking super long deep breaths. Just let go of all the efforts in this pose. And very gently, you may all rest your feet onto the floor now. And let's all turn onto the right side. Lift the body up back to the Sukhasana once again. So these are a couple of poses that you should ideally be doing every single day if you want to see the results. So I would recommend everyone to follow this particular tutorial every day religiously on your mat. You are taking out time for yourself, for your tummy also. So I really hope that you had a great time in today's tutorial. I'm already sweating right now. So please don't forget to like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are uploading a lot of content on our YouTube channel and on our Instagram account also. So there are more than 800 free yoga and fitness tutorials for all of you. So please take out time for your body and the mind. And now is the best time to stay healthy, fit and happy. Thank you so much everyone, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye. Namaste.